This is Speedy Bob at Bobbejaanland. I like the trains here. I think they're pretty. Bye bye.
And the science is great for us because then we remember the name.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, we ride so many coasters that we forget their names now.
Yeah. Do you think it's time to stop there?
No,
No,
never,
no.
never. The YouTube channel is called Coaster Stop,
Yeah.
but never stop riding roller coasters. No, no,
Just
no.
stop at them.
Yes, that's the point. Here we go. I don't know how many wild mouses we have ridden on this trip, but it's quite a few. But I'm still excited because it's a roller coaster and that's fun. Here we go. Hold on. Here's the river rafting ride. That is very cool.
Oh, that's cool.
It is quite fun. I can't help it. But wild mouses, they are so much fun. I would love to have it when they have these battling. Oh, hi. Okay. Oh. And a trim brake. Yeah. First drop. Woohoo! Nice. Trim brake. And drop and bunny hop. Whee! That was nice. Beware, sudden braking. I think it's gonna brake hard. Oh yeah, this.
Yes.
Yes, it did.
Yes.
That was fun though. Oh, a great coaster. That was so much fun. It was Speedy Bob at Bobbejaanland. That's so much fun.